Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? It's back to school for most of us, which means the kids are going down the hallway to their rooms and going back to study. Hope this changes soon. You know, what we do from time to time is we find a cool product that we feel that we can replicate and make a new version of something. So we've got one of our partners here in town, does great work, does a lot of things with Coca-Cola and gas and oil. And what we've done here is we've made heavy duty metal bathroom signs, real thick gauge metal. He's put on an antique white because he knows what he's doing. So it looks like porcelain like the original signs are. So if you've got a gas and oil collection or you just want a cool restroom sign, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the